Y'all were talking.
Oh, nobody stepped in my drink.
Okay.
Maya, don't lick them and put them back.
Hey, Will. Oh, of course you don't look at me when I die.
Good job.
That face, Will.
Now, was it done, Daddy?
Not yet.
Oh! Yay!
Now it's done.
Now they need a little more roasting.
Mhm.
Just a little more roasting, not on fire. This is going to be perfect. Okay. All right. Ooh. Good job, Uncle Carlton. Everybody look and say, hi, Mimi and Grandy. Can you look? Lucia, look. Say, hi, Mimi and Grandy.
Hi, Mimi and Grandy.
Good job. Your turn, Will. You say hi to Mimi?
Hi, Mimi and Grandy.
Maya, you ready?
Hi, Mimi and Grandy.
Okay, we love you.
We love you.
We're having fun at your cabin.
We love you.
All right, next.